Login failed on Varo Next Fix. You open the Varo app, ready to check your account or transfer money, but instead, you see login failed. It's frustrating, but the good news is, fixing it is easy and usually takes just a few minutes. Start by checking your internet connection. Varo needs a strong and secure connection to verify your login. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router if necessary. Next, update your Varo app. Older versions can have bugs that block authentication. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search for Varo, and tap Update. Now, re-enter your login details manually. Don't rely on saved passwords or autofill. They can sometimes insert old credentials or hidden spaces that cause login errors. If needed, reset your password through the Forgot Password option. If you use biometric login like Face It or Fingerprint, try disabling it temporarily and signing in manually. This resets your session and can fix token-related issues. Clear the app's cache as well. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Varo Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app to start fresh. Another common culprit is FBeans or location blockers. Disable them temporarily. Varo security systems often block access from unusual IP addresses to protect your account. If your login still fails, try using Varo's website to see if the issue is account-wide or app-specific. Sometimes the servers are under maintenance, which can cause temporary login problems. So the next time your Varo app says login failed, don't panic. Check your internet, update the app, re-enter your info, and clear your cache. In most cases, you'll be back in control of your account in just a few minutes. No stress, no downtime.